There we go. What up, y'all? Welcome back to the Fisherman Cut. So in this video, I have a quick tip for you. I got some news for you. I'm gonna let you determine if it's good or bad. So we did a giveaway for reaching 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Thank you again to everybody that subscribed and participated in that giveaway. Shout out to Big Game Fishing, who was the winner. He has decided to pass the gift on to someone else. So unfortunately, I no longer have the time to make more custom jigs, but you can pick from everything you see here, from the slugs to the stingers to the tubes, and build your kit as you see fit. There may be a few other colors that may come into this, and you can have those as an option, but let's go ahead and spin that wheel and get another winner. And we have a new winner. Congratulations. Go ahead and do what you're supposed to do. Hit me up and build your kit. So I dipped a few jigs. Call that Midnight Purple. This is my kit. This is what I take with me when I go out to Guasti, Glen Helen, or wherever I go. So you will be able to have one soon enough. So go ahead and take a good look at all the colors. Make up your mind. Digest it all. The stick bait and the drop shot worm is not included, but everything else, have at it. All right, so quick tip. First of all, this is what I'm working with. Bass Pro Shop Reel, cost about 50 bucks. The rod that I'm using is a 6.6 ultra light, cost about 15 or 20. Throw in one of my jigs, but the key is a weighted bobber. That weighted bobber, you can get it from Walmart or somewhere else for about $1.50 at the most. Sometimes just that weighted bobber will help you get to the distance to get to them. Here's a few clips of Glen Helen using this bobber. There we go.
Hey, now we know that one wasn't a fucking snag, huh?
Yep, knew that. Funny thing is, I was watching Devin over there. He just hooked up.
Where's he at?
Right there in the red sweater.
Devin!
Oh.
Devin!
There goes the yellow and white slug right there. Damn, my fault, man.
I thought real big one.
No, no. All right. Oh no, let me come around you. Tighten this up. Hey, do Guasti put the same fish in here? They don't fight like this at Guasti, I swear. Oh.
Can I borrow your net real quick? Yes, I think I could get it for a little bit. Thank you.
A little solid, thick one. Thank you for the net. Right there on the... Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna need it. First cast on that slug with the bobber. First cast on that slug, there it is. It is in his. I got it. Hold up.
Fucking broke off like
Damn.
4 jigs.
Slide.
Hey.
Yeah.
For that motherfucker.
Yeah.
I got a bobber.
Bobber. Oh. Oh, damn.
Okay. We gonna keep
He said, I don't want to see you.
Uh-oh. Okay. I almost fell in the water. I fell on your
I saw, yeah.
Well, that's about it. The day continued on just like that. If you want to see the full video, click it next. With that said, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And like always, if I don't see y'all in the water, I'll catch you next video. Peace out.